The Elite Carousel widget gives you the power to design the most elegant blog post by utilizing your posts. This one is one of the most favorite widget designed by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin. Let's see how it works. The layout section has three options for settings like visible column numbers, item gap, and image size. On query, you can select the source of the display items from posts, pages, and landing pages. There are options for choosing a specific category, tag, or format also. The additional section has a bunch of switchers. Turning them on or off will show or hide titles, categories, authors from the posts. For the navigation, you can select arrows, dots, progress, or combined. Let's go with the arrows. There are more than 20 arrow icon styles available to choose from. The carousel settings section mostly consists options for customizing the carousel animation. You can change the layout between carousel and cover flow. Both has a different style of displaying the content. Moving on to the Style tab. From the Items section, you can attach borders around each post by adjusting the border width. Select the type of border and border color you want to display. The author information is displayed in a box style rather than plain layout. You'll see the separate color options for the box's background, author name, and role, as well as image adjustments. From the navigation section, you can customize the arrows with colors, size, border, and padding. Go for both normal and hover mode color. That's it, your blog post is now ready to be published. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.